How to buy MORI coin token. So this token came under the symbol of MORI. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check Direct's account and keep following their updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 19 hours ago and it raised by 161,000% in the last 24 hours. The market cap is $29.4 million. And this token also turned in number 16 in this Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click here to copy the token address and open your function wallet for that, as you can see. And now, as you can see, I will just log into my wallet first. Now, after you log into your wallet, what you need to do is just click here on swap. Now, make sure to save this Solana token from the top. Now, click here, and now you can press the token address in the search bar. Now, as you can see, this is our token. Now, click on it. So here you can type how much you want to buy like that. And this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see. Now, scroll down a little bit, and you will be able to see here swap. Click on it. And after that, you will be able to direct it to OKX or Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy MORI token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.